Well, welcome to Easy Quiz Argue.
Today I have brought you 10 difficult questions. You will have 10 seconds to answer each question. You will receive 1 mark for each correct answer. Let's see how many points you can get. Comment how many points you got. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's go.
What are the colors of the U.S. flag? Answer C. National bird of the U.S. Answer A. What is the national currency of the U.S.? Answer C. What is the tallest mountain in the U.S.? Answer B. What is the largest in the U.S. state by area? Answer A. Wow, you are excellent. Keep going. Who was the first president of the U.S.? Answer B. Which U.S. state is famous for Hollywood? Answer C. California. Which ocean is on the west coast of the U.S.? Answer B. How many states are in the U.S.? Answer C. What is the national sport of the U.S.?
What do you think the game is? Comment.
Thank you for watching.
We invite you to subscribe to continue watching videos like this.